Good morning, students. In the previous class, we were doing about the problems we are solving exercise 6.4. Okay, now we have already finished two mains. No, we have already finished four problems in first main. Now this is the fifth problem of first main. So this is first main. Okay. So this is the product of two binomials. So you know that while finding the product of two binomials, you need to multiply each term of one binomial with each term of the other binomial. So 2pq into this binomial and 3q square into this binomial. So 2pq into 3pq minus 2q square plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. And of course, you are familiar with the product of a monomial and a binomial. Now, let us find the product of this monomial and a binomial. Now, 2pq into 3pq. You know that while finding the product, you have to find the product of their coefficients. 2 into 3 is 6 into p is p square, q into q is q square minus this 2pq into 2q square you have to multiply. So coefficients, the product of coefficient is 2 2s are 4 p. Q into q square is q cube plus 3q square into 3pq. 3 3s are 9. P term we don't have here. Here it is p. Q square into q is q cube. Plus of minus is minus 3q square into 2q square. 3 2s are 6. Q square into q square raised to the power 2 plus 2 which is 4. Here we have pq cube. Like terms we have. These two are like terms. That means they have the same variables with different coefficients. Same variables with same exponents but different coefficients. Coefficients doesn't matter. Okay. So you can add these two. Now it is 6p square q square. Here you are adding minus 4 with plus 9. You need to find the difference of these two, which is 5, and the larger number has positive sign. So we should put positive sign here. So plus 5p q cube minus 6q to the power 4. I hope you have understood. So this is simple multiplication of two binomials. So in this, you need to multiply each term of one binomial with each term of the other binomial. Okay, so 2pq into 3q minus 2q square plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. So this is the product of a monomial and a binomial. And if you consider this, this is the product of a monomial and a monomial. There is two monomials. Okay, I hope it is clear. So let's consider the next problem. 3 by 4 a square plus b square. I'll write the sum. 3 by 4 a square plus b square into 4 a square. I will multiply here 4a square minus 4 2s are 8 by 3 b square. So this is the sum. Okay. Here also you need to multiply each term of one binomial with each term of the other binomial. That is 3 by 4 a square into 4a square minus 8 by 3b square plus b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Okay. Now, again this is the product of a monomial and a binomial. So, this is 3 by 4a square into 4a square. 3 by 4a square into 4a square minus 3 by 4a square into 8 by 3b square. Okay, plus b square into 4a square minus this minus b square into 8 by 3b square. If you can cancel any terms here, then you can cancel. Here you can cancel 4 with this 4. 4 ones are 4, 8, sorry, 4 twos are 4 twos are 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. 3 ones are 3 ones are. That's all. Now here you are left with 3. A square into a square is a to the power 4 minus you are left with only 2. 4 is cancelled, 3 is cancelled. 2 a square b square. A square b square plus 4 a square b square minus 8 by 3 b square plus b square is b to the power 4. Now these two are like terms. A square plus a square b square you have. So you can simplify them. 3a to the power 4. Here you are adding minus 2a square b square with plus 4a square b square. So you need to find the difference as usual. It is 2a square b square, but the larger number has plus sign, so this should be plus. Minus 8 by 3 b to the power 4. So this is the final answer. Now second main in this, find the product. In all these cases, you are finding the product of two binomials. You need to follow the same procedure. Procedure is the same for all the problems. Only thing is the variables and numbers are different. So it is 5 into 3 plus x minus 2x into 3 plus x. So this is again the product of a monomial and a binomial. 5 into 3 plus 5 into x minus 2x into 3 minus 2x into x minus 2x into 3 minus 2x into x. 5 3s are 15 plus 5 into x is x minus 3 2s are 2 3s are 6x minus 2x square. Now you can add the like terms. Add the like terms. 15 you can write as it is. Here plus 5x and minus 5x. They are like terms, isn't it? So you need to find the difference. Difference of 6 and 5 is 1 and the larger number has negative sign. Negative sign. So you need to put negative sign only. Minus x minus 2x square. Next sum. X into 7x minus y plus 7y into 7x minus y. Here you have to find the product of a monomial and a binomial. X into 7x is 7x square minus this minus x into y is xy plus 7y into 7x is 7 7s are 49 xy. 49xy, this minus 7y into y is 7y square. Here also you have the like term xy. So you can add the like terms. Right? 7x square minus xy plus 49xy is plus 48xy minus 7y square. Now this is again the product of two binomials, a square into a plus b square plus b into a plus b square. You can multiply the terms directly. A square into a plus a square into b square plus b into a plus b into b square. Now a square into a to the power 1. A is a to the power 1. It is a cube plus a square b square. You cannot add them. You cannot multiply. So you have to write a square by b square only plus b into a is ab or ba plus b cube. So you cannot simplify it further. And this sum p square into 2p plus q minus q square into 2p plus q. Again this is the product of a monomial and a binomial. It is p square into 2p is 2p cube plus p square cube minus 2 is the coefficient here, p into q square plus it is minus of plus is minus, it is minus q cube, minus q cube. That's all, you cannot further simplify this. Okay. Next, third main. Third main is also based on the product of two binomials. So for them, for the product of two binomials, you need to add 25 in this first sum and 5 in the second sum. Let's multiply. It is x square into x plus 5 minus 5 into x plus 5. I'll put one big bracket for the product of these two. Okay, plus 25. I'll write as it is. Next, again this is the product of a monomial and a binomial. X square into x is x cube plus x square into 5. X square into x is x cube. X square into 5 is 5x square. Minus 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into plus 5 is minus 25. So this is the product of these two binomials. So for that you are adding 25. So it is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. Now minus 25 and plus 25 will get cancelled. And we will be left with x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. So this is how you should simplify the given terms, given algebraic expressions. Similarly, the next sum, a square, for this product you are adding 5. Instead of 25 here, you are adding 5. A square into b cube plus 3 plus 5 into b cube plus 3 plus 5. I'll put one bracket for this. Now a square into b cube is a square b cube only. A square b cube. a square b cube, a square b cube plus a square into 3 is 3a square. 5 into b cube is plus 5b cube. 5 into 3 is plus 15. For that you are adding plus 5. This is the product of two binomials. For that you are adding 5. So it is a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 15 and plus 5 is plus 20. There are actually 8 sums in this main. I am doing only 3 sums. 5 more sums you need to solve in your homework book. Now let us consider this is the product of a binomial and a trinomial. So for this you need to add these two terms. 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Okay, plus 3. For that you need to add minus 4.5x plus 12y. First let us find the product of these three. 1.5x into 1.5, I'll write separately, okay. 1.5x into 1.5x, that is the product of these two, plus 1.5x into 4y, 1.5x into 4y, plus 1.5x into 3. This is a simplified form of first term and this trinomial. Okay. Similarly, you find the product of 4y minus 4y into this trinomial. 4y into 1.5x minus, so once I have put minus here, you need not put minus sign here. So plus 4y into 4y plus 4y into 3, because the whole thing you are multiplying it by negative sign. So all these terms will get positive sign only. Minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now I think it is easy to find the product because you are familiar with the product of two monomials. Now 15 square you know. You have learnt about squares and square roots. That's why 15 square is 225. So 225. See, 15 square is 225. Therefore, 1.5 square is, if a number has n number of decimal places in it, then its square will have 2n number of decimal places. So it is 2.25. So 1.5 whole square is 2.25. X into x is x square. Plus 15 fours are 60. You have one decimal place here. 60 xy. That is 6.0 xy plus 15 threes are 45. So you have one decimal place. That's why 4.5 x minus 15 fours are 60. That is 6.0 xy. 6.0 xy plus 4 fours are 16 y square plus 4 threes are 12y minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now let us remove the brackets. Then the terms within the brackets will have different signs. Now it is 2.25 x square plus 6xy. 6.0 I write it as 6 only. 6xy plus 4.5x minus 6.0 is written as 6 xy. Now minus of plus is minus 16y square. Here also minus of plus is minus 12y minus 4.5x, these two terms, plus 12y. Now you observe all the terms of this expression. If you have the like terms with opposite signs, then you can cancel it. So 6x plus 6xy will get cancelled with minus 6xy. Then you will get, and also this minus 12y will get cancelled with plus 12y plus 4.5x will get cancelled with minus 4.5x. Then we will be left with only two terms, that is 2.25 x square minus 16y square. Okay, so this is the final answer. I think you can do the remaining 5 sums of this main. Let us start the identities in the next class. Thank you, children.